Hello students, this is my new next session of online classes. In today's online class, I will discuss chapter 9 of 8th class and name of the chapter is Reproduction in Animals. Students, you know that reproduction is one of the characteristic of living things. All living things grow old and die, and this is necessary for the continuity of the species. So it is very important to all. So students, to continue the life of livings, there is an important process which is known as reproduction system. So students, today I will discuss about the introduction of this process, reproduction. Reproduction occurs in humans, animals, plants and lower unicellular organisms by which they give birth to the same species. For the continuity of the life or living organism, there is an important process which occurs in all livings is process of reproduction. In this process, the term reproduction, from reproduction, re means again and production means making. So we can say that making something again. See this diagram. In this diagram, a human being have same type of species, mango tree have same type of species, and a cat have same type of kittens. See this diagram. In this diagram, an amoeba, which is an unicellular organism, and a whale, which is a multicellular organism. All the organisms reproduce in the same manner. So students, answer of this question is no. Amoeba and whale cannot reproduce in same manner because in both different type of reproduction occur. So students, now I will tell the different type of reproduction. There are two types of reproduction. One is asexual mode of reproduction and second is sexual mode of reproduction. In asexual mode of reproduction, only unicellular organisms reproduce and give rise to same or exact daughter cells. Because in asexual mode of reproduction, there are no formation of seeds. So organisms give rise to exact copies. In second type of reproduction, sexual reproduction, which occur in multicellular organism, and in this reproduction gametes are formed from different parents. So there are so many dissimilarities in the species of same organism. So students, reproduction is necessary for all living things to keep the species alive. Some plants reproduce through seeds. This is called sexual reproduction, and some plants reproduce without seeds. This is called asexual reproduction. So students, I think this is clear to all. So thank you.